In this video, I'll guide you through how to use an American Express gift card. Whether you've just received one as a gift or are new to using these types of cards, I'll break down everything you need to know to make the most out of your card. First things first, you'll want to ensure your gift card is activated. While some American Express gift cards are ready to use immediately, others may require activation, which can typically be done online. It's always a good idea to check this step before heading out to shop. Alongside activation, checking your balance is crucial. You can do this easily on the American Express gift cards website. Knowing your balance helps avoid any awkward moments at the checkout counter. Once your card is activated and you know your balance, you're ready to use it. American Express gift cards can be used at any merchant in the United States that accepts American Express. This is true whether you're shopping in-store or online, offering you a wide range of options. If you're purchasing in-store, the process is straightforward. Simply hand the card to the cashier. If prompted, choose the credit option, and if required, sign for your purchase. This process is very similar to using a regular credit card, making it easy and convenient. Now, if you're shopping online, the steps are just as simple. At checkout, select the credit card payment option. You'll need to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, just like you would with any credit card. This allows you to seamlessly use your gift card for online purchases. However, there are a few important things to keep in mind to ensure a smooth experience. First, always make sure that your balance covers the full purchase amount. If your purchase exceeds the available balance, the transaction will not go through. Additionally, be aware that some merchants might not accept prepaid gift cards, so it's always a good idea to check their payment policies in advance. Lastly, remember these cards are generally only valid within the US, so keep that in mind if you're planning to use it while traveling abroad. And there you have it. That's how you can use an American Express gift card. With these simple steps, you should be able to navigate your shopping experience with ease, whether you're buying groceries, treating yourself to something special, or shopping online. Enjoy using your card and happy shopping.